Source: a strengthening Hurricane Maria is churning toward the Leeward Islands in the eastern Caribbean, with forecasters warning it is expected to become a major hurricane. Maria swiftly grew into a hurricane on Sunday, and forecasters said it was expected to become much stronger over the coming hours, following a path that would take it near many of the islands wrecked by Hurricane Irma, and then on toward Puerto Rico, the Dominican Republic and Haiti. Hurricane warnings were posted for Guadeloupe, Dominica, St. Kitts, Nevis, Montserrat, and Martinique. A tropical storm warning was issued for Antigua and Barbuda, Saba, St. Eustatius and St. Lucia. Other islands were warned to stay alert for changes in the storm. Hurricane watches were up in Puerto Rico, the U.S. and British Virgin Islands, the island shared by French Saint Martin and Dutch Saint Martin, Saint Barts and Anguilla. The U.S. National Hurricane Center said Maria had maximum sustained winds of 150 kph early on Monday. It was centered about 215 kilometers east-southeast of Dominica and heading west-northwest. The Hurricane Center said hurricane conditions should begin to affect parts of the Leeward Islands by Monday night, with storm surges raising water levels by up to 1.8 meters near the storm's center. Maria could make a direct hit on Puerto Rico, which was spared the full brunt of Irma, although much of the island had its power knocked out. Farther north, long-lived Hurricane Jose continued to head northward off the U.S. East Coast, causing dangerous surf and rip currents.